What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and this time I'm going to open up my swag bag from Mishimoto because I just secured the sponsorship with them, so stay tuned and let's see what's inside. Whoa! There we are. Magnetic drain plug. To be on the safe side. And we've got a swag bag. What's in here? Let's rip this open. Flopped. Actually smells really nice inside. That'd be an air freshener, maybe? Oh, that's plus 5 horsepower. Another 5 horsepower. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa. Alright, done. I've got 2 of these now. Aha, air freshener. Called it. And what's that? Not sure what that is actually. Is everything? Got... Oh, paperwork. Greetings on the path, heavy on here. Right, never mind that. But yeah. So this is the start of something new. If you guys don't know what Mishimoto do, they make cooling products, so like intercoolers, radiators, transmission coolers as well. Everything like cooling related. And from what I've heard, they're pretty good. So I just landed this sponsorship, which is not hard to get, I won't lie, but still very good. So I'll be using Mishimoto in the build as well, where it applies. On my next service, I'll be using this instead of the original drain plug, because what it does is that little magnet at the bottom will like catch metal shavings, stop them getting or going back into the engine through the oil strainer. I can't remember, I'm tired right now. Basically, it'll catch it instead of sending it through the engine and getting stuck between stuff and sending more shavings down. So yeah, it won't really be a review as such, but I will do a video on fitting this just because something is going on. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @silveraygo, and stay tuned for the next part of Mishimoto where I fit the drain plug.